What's up, everyone? It's Eric with Option Edge, and today I'm showing you a trade that I took on Friday, actually, in Walmart. So let's get into it, okay? This is the trade. I'm using Trade Machine Pro, which is a option backtesting machine, which just goes back into history and applies different parameters, different strategies, and sees how well they returned in the past, and we can use those for trades we want to take today, okay? And obviously, past performance is never 100% likely to happen in the future. Nevertheless, this trade is a very good trade. Historically, it has 100% win rate, total return, on average 143% total. Average win is $248, no losses. So you get it. It's a pretty good trade. So let's show you the parameters here. So basically the parameters are when the stock crosses up through its 200-day moving average, has to be above the 10-day exponential moving average, which is different than the simple moving average, and the RSI has to be below a certain level. So I wait till the end of the day to put this trade on because this trade could be invalidated. For example, it could cross above that 200-day moving average and then come back below it. So if it doesn't close above the 200-day moving average, then the trade's invalid. So I'll show you a website that I use. It's called movingaverages.com. That shows me all the different simple moving averages, exponential moving averages, RSI, all on one screen. Okay, so let me go over to there. Okay, so I am on movingaverages.com. You just type in your stock signal here, and then down below we have this here, which shows us I have every single pivot point selected on that chart. I can remove. Usually I don't use the 8 or 5 or the 13, but I usually use the 10, the 21, the 50, and the 200 in my analysis. So you can see the 200-day moving average was $140.34, and stock closed at $141. So that was valid, and it had to be the other parameter had to be above was the 10-day exponential moving average. 10-day exponential moving average was 139. And the last parameter is RSI had to be below 70. 70 is a overbought rating, so we don't want to buy anything. We don't want to get long with anything overbought. And just something to pay attention to, let me head over to TradingView. So this is the 200-day moving average, simple moving average on TradingView. So if you look at TradingView, you say, well, what the heck? This didn't cross above and close above. Uses moving averages, and Trade Machine uses a different form of calculation when it comes to the moving averages. So there's something to keep in mind. So I didn't talk about the actual strategy. So we are short a put spread. So we are selling the 40 delta put, and then behind that, we're going to buy back the 30 delta put. So let's head over to Robinhood and see what that looks like. All right, we're back on Robinhood. So let's get into the option chain here. 30 days from, I believe, that would be January 7th was when I made the trade. We want puts. So I want the 40 delta put to sell. Okay, so this was $43. This one was, that was a delta of 43, where this was a delta of 37. I mean, I could have probably went with, this might have been a little bit closer to the 40 delta. And then I bought behind that 30 delta. I could have selected the 137. I ended up selecting the 138. So it was only a it's only two strikes wide. So the 140s with the 138. So let's go ahead and select these. So I'm buying that one, and I am selling this one. So I am risking $137 to make 34. That doesn't seem right. Okay, that's not right. Let's go back. We selected, we want. All right, cool. So we're risking $136 to make $72. Okay, so the credit received is 72 cents. And yeah, that's basically it. The other parameter, hold on. The other parameter in this back test that is used is taking this trade off once you hit 50% gain. And yeah, so that's it. That's the Walmart short put spread. I don't know if this is different now than before. I think the technicals were taken off, but before it was 8-0. So you get the idea. That's my trade. Hope you enjoy this. Like and subscribe. And as always, this is not financial advice. Peace out.